Psalm 4:8. In peace I will lie down and sleep. For you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety. Let the peace of God surround you as you rest. Trust that He is with you, guarding and protecting you through the night. Psalm 23, 1-2. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. Feel the calming assurance that God is leading you to rest and refreshment. Just like a shepherd cares for their sheep, rest in His gentle guidance. Psalm 91, 1-2. Whoever dwells in the shelter of the Most High will rest in the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. Let God be your refuge tonight, a place where you can rest safe and secure, knowing He is protecting you. Psalm 127, 2. In vain you rise early and stay up late, toiling for food to eat, for He grants sleep to those He loves. Remember, God gives rest to those He loves. You are His beloved, and He desires for you to rest in His peace tonight. As you listen to these soothing verses, close your eyes and breathe deeply. Let go of your worries and trust that God is with you, filling your heart with calm and tranquility. Feel the weight of the day lift off as you rest in His promises. If these Psalms have brought you peace, please like, share, and comment below with your prayer requests or words of gratitude. May you experience the sweet rest and comfort that only God can provide.
I was found